Welcome back to channel everyone. Today we are going to backtest an indicator which is going to give you superb returns month on month basis. If you are a working professional or a student, this indicator is going to change the way you trade. So many people on live stream says that कि मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता चार्ट देखने, मेरा कॉलेज होता है, मेरी लेवल्स मिस हो जाती है. So one solution for all these problems, I have developed an indicator which gives almost 60 to 70% win rate with risk reward of 1:3. एंड मैं कोई क्लेम नहीं कर रहा कि 100% विन रेट है. वी विल बैक टेस्ट इट ऑन मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर एंड लेट्स सी द रिजल्ट. सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट एक्चुअल बैक टेस्टिंग, दिस आर सम रूल्स which you have to keep in mind. This strategy is only for prop firm accounts. I don't suggest to trade on your broker account unless you have at least 2000 in your real broker account. Why? Because the SLs of the indicator are sometimes more than 100 pips or 150 pips. So we are going to risk only 1% per trade. And if you have an account of $100, $200, then 1% risk karna is literally impossible on this indicator even with 0.01 lots. That's why I suggest ki if you have prop firm challenge account, phase 1, phase 2 या funded account, this strategy is only for prop firm accounts. Don't try this on your real broker account unless you have $2000 in your account minimum. Then second point is levels will be strictly on closing basis and time frame will be strictly 15 minutes. No use of 5 minutes, no use of 1 minute. Third, we will risk 1% per trade and our TPs will be at 3%. We will adjust our lot size according to the SLs the indicator gave. Then fourth point is SLs will be actively trailed. The indicator focuses on minimizing your risk and maximizing your returns. So as the indicator says to trail your SL, we just have to manually trade our SLs to that level. So let's start our back testing. From October month. This signal was generated in September. So let's leave. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे फेक सिग्नल्स भी आते हैं and we have to avoid that. The blue line is 100 EMA. This is just to filter out the signals. If the price is above the 100 EMA, then we are going to look only and only for buy signals and we will not trade the sell signals. If the price is below the 100 EMA and we got a sell, we will execute it, but we will avoid the buy signals below the EMA level. So let's start October ka back test. First आया sell, we will avoid. Second आया buy, we would have took this buy entry here. After the buy entry, the green line you can see here is our SL. We have to actively trail it and यहाँ पे अपना SL जाता. Before that the level already has given 150 pips in profit. Then we would have exited. Even if you hold it, we would have exited at almost break even to very little loss because our original SL was this and we have trailed to this. So we will consider it as break even. Then sell signal is generated. We would totally avoid it because it is above the 100 EMA price. We would have waited. Then यहाँ पे एक buy मिला है जो कि हम लेते buy. यहाँ पे SLs would be this. Okay, SLs would be this 120 pips. Easily the market gave 200 pips. Literally market gave 200 pips before the crash. This crash, उससे पहले market gave us 200 pips. And even if you have holded, even if you have trailed the SL, you would have exited in small profits. We would consider it as a break even again. But the price has given 200 pips. You can keep booking your partials. Then if we see sell, यहाँ पे generate नहीं हुआ because the price is barely above the EMA. So we would have avoid. Then this was one trade which is pure SL. यहाँ पे we would have entered. This is pure SL. Okay, we accept that. 100 pips of 110 pips of SL. Then this sell, this would be have our SL 170 pips, but we would have trailed it with our indicator, and which has 70 pips before the SL hits. Market had given 110 pips. Then even if you have followed the indicator blindly and didn't book any partials, 70 pips loss, we accept it. Third trade is candle close above the EMA and buy signal is generated. We would have entered over here, sell over here, and we would have keep it running. Now just see how much pips we got before the trade gets exited. This will be our trade. There was our entry. We would have trailed our SL with this green line, which is SL line, and somewhere over here we would have exited, which is almost 1000 pips. पावर देखना, इंडिकेटर की एक स्मॉल बाय सिग्नल यहाँ पे मिला था, एंड वी वुड हैव कैप्चर्ड 1000 pips. Okay, let's go. Let's back test it again. Then here we get sell indicator, but ये fake है because it's above the EMA. यहाँ पे we got buy opportunity. यहाँ पे we would have entered buys. Our SL will be somewhere over here. फिर से you can see the level. We would have exited somewhere over here, which is almost 700 pips trade. One trade was 1000 pips, the next trade was 700 pips. Okay, let's see. This sell was at the market opening price 3:30 a.m. so I don't think this is tradable. Then and this was a trailing SL. This was almost break even. यहाँ पे एंटर होके 200 पिप्स का SL था, जो कि ट्रेल होते 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 ऑलमोस्ट 20 पिप्स पे रह गया, एंड बिफोर द प्राइस गेव ब्रेक इवन द ट्रेड ऑलरेडी गेव अस ऑलमोस्ट 200 पिप्स प्रॉफिट. सो दिस इज द पावर ऑफ इंडिकेटर कि हर एक SL जानने से पहले आइदर द ट्रेड गिव अस अ बिग 1000 पिप्स 500 पिप्स मूव, और एल्स इफ SL जाने वाला है देन 200 पिप्स मिनिमम दे रहा है इंडिकेटर. देन नेक्स्ट ट्रेड वुड बी same. The candle closed below the EMA, so we would have entered यहाँ पे. This would be our SL. Easily we got 1:3, and in terms of pip 800 pips we would have got in just span of कितना टाइम हुआ है एंट्री होते ही. Within 4 hours you would have captured 800 pips. That's the power of indicator. यहाँ पे buy signal is generated, but ये we would consider it as fake according to our strategy, but just look at the buy signal. यहाँ पे sell signal generated but price is above, so we would consider it as fake. यहाँ पे we got a buy. यहाँ पे we would have entered. This would be our SL. We would have trailed यहाँ तक. Easy 500 pips more. Easy 500 pips more. Fake signal. Again we got a buy, which got exited at break even sadly before the big rally. But break even जाने से पहले भी the indicator has given 250 pips in profit, which is like, even if you are trading on 0.01, this would flip your account. Sell indicator, fake signal. We got a buy over here. Again we would have entered our SL. Just check the levels. Just check how much pips we would have got. This is 1500 pips. Even if you have entered with 0.01, $150 profit. If we have entered at the sell signal, still 880 pips we would have captured. Then यहाँ पे एक buy मिला है, which is purely the SL, so 1% we are down, but just remember these trades. यहाँ पे sell मिला है, according to rules we would have not entered. It's okay. Buy again fake. Sell. This was a pure SL. this trade was pure SL. Okay, we would have accepted the loss. Just remember one thing, कोई भी indicator, कोई भी strategy is not 100% accurate. There are SLs, there will be SLs, you cannot avoid that. You just have to manage your risk. That's why मैंने rules में लिखा था we are going to risk 1% of our account. यहाँ पे we would have entered and easy 900 pips trade it was, 950 almost. Then यहाँ पे sell signal was generated but according to our rules we would have not entered, जो कि बहुत अच्छा गया था. sell was one of the biggest crash in cryptos. Then next buy we would have avoided. This sell we would have entered over here. This was a very volatile market, so SLs पड़े थे. Still यहाँ पे entry के बाद just check the price momentum. Price literally crashed and gave us 670 pips in a trade. Then this buy we would have taken this buy because candle ऊपर close हुई है. This would be our SL. Trade लंबा चला है, almost gave us 300 pips, but still it was more of consolidating trade. Then यहाँ पे sell, this sell and this buy, these two trades were pure SL. We can't avoid this because we don't have 100% accuracy, but जो भी accuracy है it is enough to flip your account and turn you into a profitable trader. Then यहाँ पे एक sell है, we would have took this sell. The price has given 550 pips in profit before reversing, so this is the indicator. यहाँ पे we would have entered buy. Okay, this was our original SL which got trailed over here. Like if we risk 1% on trade, this SL would have cost you 0.3 or 0.4% of your account. Then next here we got sell, criteria fulfill हुआ है सब. We would have take this entry, our SLs. Just check the power, 1000 pips. This is the second or third, I guess third 1000 pip trade in a month. Just remember this. This was a buy signal which is fake. This sell signal we got, we would have entered again over here. This would be our SL. We got 800 pips. Literally just देखना, यहाँ पे 1000 pips capture हुए, यहाँ पे we captured 800 pips again. This buy signal is fake. This sell signal is formed on market opening once again. We would have avoided. यहाँ पे buy मिला है एक, we would have entered. SL ही रहता. If we had trailed, still 300 pips profit. The sell is not valid. We would have avoided. Then 30th October को बाय मिला है, वी वुड हैव टेकन दिस बाय, जो कि SL ट्रेल होते 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 ऑलमोस्ट ब्रेक इवन पे ही निकला है. देन दिस विल कंसिडर ब्रेक इवन, बट बिफोर गोइंग ब्रेक इवन 250 पिप्स मार्केट ने दिए हैं. दिस सेल, दिस वॉज अ प्योर SL ट्रेड, प्योर SL. डायरेक्ट प्राइस रिवर्स हो गया, वी वुड हैव एक्सेप्टेड इट. देन बाय में एंट्री यहाँ पे हुई, SLs वुड बी दिस. मार्केट वी वुड हैव एग्जिटेड एट ब्रेक इवन अगेन, सेम लेवल पे अगर सेल दिया है तो. देन 31st October, ओके, दिस वुड बी अ वैलिड बाय, जो कि डायरेक्ट SL गया है. वी वुड हैव एक्सेप्टेड दिस, वी वुड हैव एक्सेप्टेड दिस. ओके, डन. दिस वॉज द बैक टेस्टिंग फॉर मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर. एक बार फिर से ट्रेड्स देखते हैं. वीडियो थोड़ी लंबी बन सकती है, बट दिस इंडिकेटर इज गोइंग टू चेंज द वे यू ट्रेड. We got 150 pips, then 210 pips, 100 pips SL, then 70 pips SL, then a 1000 pip trade. Just after that, a 700 pips trade. We would have exited at break even. Then this trade was 800 pips trade. This all rally was missed unfortunately, but still we would have entered in this. This is a 500 pip trade. This is a 250 pip trade. This is 900 pips trade. This is 400 pips SL. ओके एक्सेप्टेड. इतने बड़े बड़े प्रॉफिट्स के बाद एक छोटा SL आता भी है, जस्ट एक्सेप्ट इट. 400 पिप्स SL वंस अगेन. 900 पिप्स प्रॉफिट. 2 लॉसेस हुए छोटे छोटे, एक बड़े प्रॉफिट ने उसको कवर कर दिए. देन 600 पिप्स ट्रेड, 400 पिप्स ट्रेड, एक 300 पिप्स का SL है एंड एक 300 पिप्स का SL है, कंसेक्यूटिव SLs. देन ऑलमोस्ट 600 पिप्स की एक ट्रेड मिल गई जिससे पिछले दोनों लॉस कवर हो गए. देन ब्रेक इवन. देन नेक्स्ट 1000 पिप ट्रेड. उसके बाद ही 800 पिप ट्रेड. उसके बाद एक 300 पिप ट्रेड सिंपल. देन SL you would have taken break even SL. So this was the back testing. ये कुछ रिजल्ट था जो इंडिकेटर ने दिया है एंड मंथ ऑन मंथ बेसिस इट इज परफॉर्मिंग क्वाइट गुड एंड गिविंग सुपर्ब रिटर्न्स. If you want to see the back tested data on month basis, don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Description में link है. You can join. It's totally free and check the pin message. So if you want to see the back tested data of this indicator, you can just go to description जहाँ पे link है of my free Telegram channel and just go on the pinned message. This is the data of month of July, August, September, October we did and May. Every -1 is SL, every +3 is a TP. So that's how we calculate our percentage returns. 21, 10, 18, 19. This is our backtested data. And if you want to get the indicator access, just join my free Telegram group and वहाँ पे just check this pinned message and यहाँ पे text on this account that you want to get the indicator or you want to know about the indicator. वहाँ पे पूरी प्रोसेस आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दी जाएगी and you can enjoy the profits with this indicator and change your trading journey and the way you trade. If you want to live trade with me, I live stream daily in London session 11:30 PM to 2 PM and in New York session 5:30 to 8 PM. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video and indicator के बारे में अगर कुछ भी information चाहिए then join my free Telegram group and pinned message check कर लेना. So you will get A to Z detail of the indicator. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys really make profits from the indicator and from the live streams. And मिलते हैं next एक learning video में. W is in the chat for the indicator.